Okay, so I've got like 4 to 6 cups of beans left over that I cooked like 3 days ago. So I need to use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some things to help bind and thicken this. So first I'm going to start with some oats. I'm putting 2 cups of oats in. And then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon for every 2 cups of beans of egg replacer. Now I would suggest if I were to do this again, I would use some flax as well. And we're using Bob's Red Mill Egg Replacer. So go ahead and stir all this up. And these were chili beans that I made. So these have like cumin, chili powder, garlic, onion powder, some fresh cilantro. I used onion, I used bell pepper. So these have a good flavor in them already. But if you want to make these taste more like a burger, get yourself some like Montreal steak seasoning or use that. People love Cavender's. Throw that in here instead to flavor your beans. Mine are going to be chili burgers today. So in the spirit of Zero Waste Kitchen, I had some zucchini in the fridge that I had bought pre-cut, and it had been there like 2 days, so I decided to rinse that off and use it as well. Okay, get you a pan and put down some parchment paper to keep it from sticking into the pan because you have to cook it a while. And I am doing, I believe, 3-ounce scoops. Flatten them down on the top and put them in the oven at 325 for about an hour and a half. So the toppings I'm going to use today are red onion, tomato, some Dijon mustard, some veganaise. I am also using avocado, which I love, and I'm using baby spring mix from a local supplier who does the most amazing hydroponic produce ever. So these can be stored in the fridge for about 3 days, in the freezer for a good month or two, if you wrap them in parchment first and then plastic. Also, you can take these, crumble them up with your favorite protein or extra beans, and you can make great burritos with these.